신기하면서.
우와. 일찍 먹어. 개 무서워. 안녕.
Welcome to Pirate Canada series, where we uncover the tugged beauty of Vancouver, BC, Canada. Today, join the two Korean friends, Pirate Canada and Norang, embark on an epic adventure to the stunning hot springs in their powerful Ford F-150s. Vancouver, with its breathtaking landscapes and endless outdoor adventures, serves as the perfect backdrop to test the strength and versatility of these iconic trucks. So buckle up. Let's hit the road and discover what Vancouver and our F-150s have in store.
캐나다 해적관 구독 안 해주면 미워.
It's 6:30 a.m., and we've made a quick stop at Tim Hortons for breakfast. A beloved Canadian icon, Tim Hortons is a must-visit for anyone traveling through Canada. Known for its delicious donuts, refreshing drinks, and hearty sandwiches, it's a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike.
맛있냐?
Having finished our breakfast, it's time to fuel up for the journey ahead. With over 180 kilometers to cover, a quick stop at the gas station is essential before we continue our adventure.
What kind of tank is it? It's like a small propane tank. You gotta pick it out over there. And I can see that how big it is. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's 1 pound, okay? Yeah. 당연히. 저번에 이렇게 직원분이 젊으신 분이 여기 일하셔가지고. 맞아, 있었어. 그저 있었어. 네. 장을 오래 했죠? 8년? 8년. 감사합니다.
We have two powerful Ford F-150s with us today. The black one is a 14th generation model, known for its advanced technology and robust performance. The white one is a 13th generation, celebrated for its reliability and strength. Both trucks are built to handle tough conditions just like their motto, Built Ford Tough. Now, let the adventure begin.
직진 맞지? 가자. 직진 맞는 것 같아.
The Ford F-150 is equipped with several features that enhance its off-road capabilities. One of its standout features is the high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body, which provides exceptional durability while reducing weight, improving both fuel efficiency and handling. The F-150's 4x4 system is designed to tackle tough terrains with ease, offering superior traction and control.
도시와 자연이 공존하다. Where the city meets nature. 밴쿠버.
The electronic locking rear differential ensures that both rear wheels move at the same speed, providing maximum traction in challenging conditions. The terrain management system, TM, is another significant feature, allowing drivers to switch between various modes tailored for different off-road scenarios, such as mud ruts, sand, and snow. This system optimizes the vehicle's performance to match the terrain. Ground clearance is crucial for off-roading, and the F-150 boasts impressive ground clearance, enabling it to navigate over rocks and uneven surfaces without damaging the undercarriage. Skid plates are installed to protect vital components from rough terrain and debris. The F-150's off-road tuned suspension system provides a smoother ride on bumpy surfaces, absorbing shocks and maintaining stability. Additionally, the hill descent control feature helps manage steep descents by maintaining a consistent speed, allowing drivers to focus on steering. These features collectively make the Ford F-150 a reliable and capable choice for off-road adventures.
와, 일찍 먹어. 개 무서워. 안녕. 곰새끼야. 우리한테 공격하면 어떡해? 도망간다. 저기 더 있어. 야, 저기 뒤에서 막 나무 타고 있는데? 어디? 뒤에 보여? 나무 위에 검은 거?
Vancouver, BC is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, featuring coastal rainforests, towering mountains, and serene ocean vistas. The city's temperate climate, with an average winter temperature of 3 degrees and a summer average of 25 degrees, supports its lush, green landscapes and diverse ecosystems. Canada's natural beauty is among the most magnificent and stunning in the world. And this unique combination of geographical features and favorable weather conditions makes Vancouver an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers.
아이고, 수고하셨습니다. Literally no one there, man.
Vancouver, BC, is home to several natural hot springs, featuring mineral-rich pools heated by volcanic activity. These geothermal springs offer therapeutic benefits, with waters that can alleviate muscle pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. In urban areas, access to such mineral-rich waters is limited due to urbanization and water treatment processes. However, in natural settings like these hot springs, unaltered mineral-rich waters provide significant health benefits. Common minerals found in hot springs include silica, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, lithium, and bicarbonate.
오, 뜨거워. 너무 안 뜨거워. 뜨거워. 아, 너무 뜨거운데? 아이. 나는 오늘 여기 들어가 볼까? 거기 더러워. 미끌미끌 할걸? 더러워가지고. 그래? 한번 들어가 볼래, 그래도. 오, 씨. 미끌미끌거려, 진짜. 저기는 나무에 이끼가 껴서 그런가? 모양은 저게 제일 예쁜데 미끌미끌거리냐? 오, 여기 진짜 뜨겁다. Water coming down from there. 와, 여기는 더 뜨겁다. 누랑아. 갑자기 막 밑에서 손이 툭 튀어나오는 건 어떡하지, 여기서? 여기도 뜨겁나? 여긴 차갑네. 아, 뷰 좋네. Disgusting. 아, 개운하다.
Vancouver, BC, offers an unparalleled outdoor camping experience, defined by its diverse landscapes and abundant natural beauty. The forests around Vancouver are dense and lush, dominated by towering Douglas firs, western red cedars, and hemlocks.
More. Okay, that's it. 여기 좋다. 딱 좋아. Yeah, nice. So wild. Nice. Damn. Nice. Yo, it's getting sunny too. 해 뜨는데? 내가 너 김치찌개 해줄게. 김치 꽁치찌개.
You may have heard of kimchi, but have you heard of kimchi jjigae? Kimchi jjigae, or kimchi stew, is a beloved Korean dish created by simmering kimchi with ingredients like tofu, vegetables, and meats. To make this flavorful soup, simply saute garlic and onions in a pot.
Mineral water.
Then add chopped kimchi and cook until aromatic. Traditionally, pork is used, but today we're adding mackerel for a special twist. The result is a spicy, savory, and tangy soup that is both comforting and satisfying. There are plenty of kimchi soup recipes out there, so try out yourself if you have a chance. You'll undoubtedly love the bold flavors and the warmth it brings.
가위로 한 번씩 찝을 낼까? 잘 익는다고? 살집? 이거 먹자. 맛있겠는데. 와우! damn! 와, 맛있겠다. 아, 여기다 떡 넣으면 맛있겠다. 미쳤다, 냄새.
Men go out. Men do. Men happy.
That's a feast. 내가 돌을 좀 주워올게 그럼. 아, 오 씨. 에이. 아, 나는 왜 안 막혀? 오, 무사. Right here, man. 오늘은 언제요? 내 사랑이 때로는 이별 감정이 어려운 거요. 많은 약속을. 아, 너무 미끄러운데 이거? 아, 됐다. 살았다.
As we wrap up our journey through Vancouver, the moments we've shared with our F-150 and the stunning sights of this city will linger in our memories. But this is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more incredible spots in Vancouver. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.
잠시만. 이거.
그럼 이만 다음에 또 봐요.
무조건 구독 안 해주면